Hello everybody, it is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am on day 17 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina and the Mismatch Crafter. Not too long before that guy comes down the chimney, guys. Let's see. It's in a box. Square. And let's unwrap. Man, what am I going to do when this is all done? It's going to be a coffee cup. Who's on it? No, let's get out. The Nomi cup. Haha. Gnome for the holidays. Oh, that's cute. It's a big cup. New hot cocoa cup. Look at that, guys. Look at that, ain't it cute? So cute. Awesome. Thank you, Sabrina. I love it. I love it. I love it. Cool. Gnome for the holidays. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season as I am. This has been fun. And like I said, what am I going to do after the 25th? Back to normalcy, I guess. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, and bye for now.